Hey guys, Jason here with Restore Muscle Car. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install welting onto your side spoilers. So our welting comes in all of your colors that you need. This one is actually made of Martin blue material, so that way you don't have to get them painted before you install them. They also, I don't know if you can see this. This is what the end looks like. You have a long tail on this side and a short tail on that side. Everybody messes this up. We see it all the time. The short side goes on the exterior of the spoiler and the long side goes on the interior of the spoiler. Do not flip them around. It will cause issues and won't seal up against the body of the car. With our welting packages, you will also get some 3M double-sided sticky tape. You'll use this to help install the welting. Here at the shop, we use this 3M tape primer. This just helps the tape adhere to the side spoiler itself. We just brush it onto the side spoiler on the inside where we'll be mounting the welting. So I'm just gonna apply some of this primer onto this spoiler here. You barely have to use any at all because it goes a long ways. You're just gonna brush it onto this edge here where you're gonna apply the tape. And you're probably gonna have to give it about 1.5 minutes to tack up. We're gonna apply this 3M double-sided sticky tape onto the edge. I like to have the tape overhang the edge just a little bit. You can see I have some tape almost rolled around this edge ever so slightly. This will help when you apply the welting. This is what it should look like laying on the edge of your side spoiler. Our rolls of welting should give you enough length to complete all 4 side spoilers and the valance. So we're gonna figure out our length here, and I'll usually make it about 1 inch longer than we need, and we'll cut it from there with a razor blade. So we're gonna start from the bottom of the spoiler and work our way up because it gets a little tricky around this bend. We'll do that last. I'm gonna peel back a little bit of this 3M tape, about 1 inch. Then I'm gonna start by opening up the welting and getting it over that edge. As I'm fitting it on, I will grab the 3M and kind of slide that out from underneath and apply pressure onto the welting, like so. Make sure that the edge of the welting gets rotated to the inside of the car as far as you can. You just want this hook to cover the edge just slightly. So when you get up to this corner here, you're gonna wanna take a little pie chunk out of the inside of the welting. That way you can make that corner easier. Then on this other side, you're gonna wanna try to cut that corner a little short, so that way when this gets installed onto the car, the fender is what's gonna help roll this edge over the top of that edge. So the welting here at the top will sometimes like to come off. You'll see it sometimes falling outside of the car. We like to throw a staple in here at the top just to hold the welting in place. So what I'll do is I'll just take a drill and I will drill through the welting, put a hole through the welting, and then also through the side spoiler plastic. So this is what the staple is going to look like drilled through. It's going through the welting on the top here just to hold it in place. And it's also cutting the corner here on the end of the spoiler. On the inside of this welting here, you'll get a ridge. This ridge lays up against the body of the car, which will sometimes make this edge not sit against the paint. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a razor blade, I give it a slight bend just to make it easier, and we're gonna slice the inside of this welting down just a little bit in the areas where it's gonna have contact up against the body.